Traders, what's happening this Monday afternoon? Hey guys, just wanted to bring you a quick educational video on how to trade a continuation gap. This is the trade that I took today and actually called it as well. It's very important to really understand what is going on with this trade. As you can see, this was gapping up here. What it is, it's a very it's a simple play yet very powerful play. If you take a look at it, I mean, this is right here. Amazon kind of tops out right here. Pundits calling for top in Amazon or whatever, curling top and whatever you want to call it. But in reality, it's really a nice play here that falls into the rising 21 and 50 period moving average. And you can say it's a beautiful um, pullback here in Amazon, and you got a bottoming tail right here at support. Right here at support, this is a bottoming tail forming right at the toe, right at the support. This is changing of the guard bar. On Friday, we finally trigger the buy setup, and then this, as I often refer to as a box of opportunity or opportunity box, today would gap over this. So what this becomes right here, what this becomes is a continuation move of Friday. So that's why this is why it's called a continuation gap. And continuation gap after a green bar, usually, this is the way you play it. You got to wait for a setup. I mean, you can't just blindly go in and say, oh, you know what, I'm going to take a 1 minute high or 2 minute high, because that's just not 2 minute high, 1 minute high isn't a setup. It isn't a technical setup. It's a very aggressive entry for a stock like, and I'll show you like a COL, COL today, which is a level one gap. It wasn't shortable for me, so I couldn't get into it, but I'll show you what it looks like or stock that has it's a level one gap. This Amazon comes in nicely here, starting to set up here. You can see this is right here is forms a bottom because immediately get bought, and then we consolidate in this area and start to form a support. My entry was right here, 824.50. I put a stop at 822, $2.5 stop. Beautiful rally. I told the team, I say it looks like it's going to be 835. I, obviously closed over 835, and I could show you what it looked like, but this was the trade, nice little profit. I did have a losing trade today as well, CMG, that did not work for me, but overall a nice day here as well. So let me show you what coal looks like, and I'll bring up the platform to show you what the coal looks like. Look at Amazon closing at 838. Beautiful move here. So this is the level one gap right here. This is the one that you can get in 1 minute low, 2 minute low, because it's such powerful gap. And take a look at it when you go down to the 1 minute right over here. You look at it. If you took you took a 1 minute low here, 1 minute low right here, that was 81.37, high 82.10. You always got to give a little bit more, maybe 82.25. But this got right to 82.10. You can't just go right there because such an aggressive entry. So if you took this 81.37 by 82.25, let's say, so it's about a dollar stop. It's about a dollar stop, and look at this move. I mean, you'll be done right over here. So there's a couple of lessons in one video. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you're interested, subscribe to the NDX 100. That is my stock twits, and I will continue to post some educational video for you guys. Have a good rest of the afternoon.